Excuse me. Humans must live far apart, even if it breaks my heart. We'll put you in the dungeon. It'll suck, and then you'll die alone. Really sad, you're gonna die. Cry, cry, cry. So sad it's